Hello learners. Welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy, your trusted space to master ERP, one process at a time. In our previous video, we explored the customer inquiry process, where every sales journey begins. Today, we'll move to the next step of the sales and distribution module, the sales quotation process, where customer interest turns into an official offer. What is sales quotation? A sales quotation is a formal response from the sales team to a customer's inquiry. It defines the price, terms, quantity, and delivery schedule of the requested items. This document helps customers understand what the work or material will cost before placing an order. Once approved, the quotation becomes a legal offer valid for a specific period. Process flow. Let's understand the flow step by step. Step 1. Create quotation. Select series and transaction type, T-code, 6, signature, QTNS. Enter customer name, reference no, date, and validity period. Add payment and delivery terms. Step 2. Add item details. Select items, linked from inquiry or directly from item master. Enter quantity, rate, unit of measure, tax, and remarks. Attach specifications or supporting documents. Step 3. Review and approval. Validate details, review rates, and submit for approval. Once approved, the quotation is ready to be sent to the customer. Key configuration and dependencies. Pre-processes. Customer inquiry must be created first. If quotation is linked, series configuration under T-code, 6, sales quotation and T-nature, QTNS, post-processes. Approved quotations can be converted into sales contracts or orders. Controlled by global parameters and user suffix logic. Configurable freeze date. To restrict backdated edits, series can be set monthly, daily, or yearly. Reference. Configurations defined in Configuration Master and User Approval Master. Key features. Create quotation directly or from customer inquiry. Auto-approval logic based on user rights. Attach Word, Excel, or PDF files with offers. Multi-currency and multi-UOM support. Division-wise, staff-wise, and cost center-wise MIS reports. Auto-scheduler for daily or monthly quotation summaries. Easy reprint and modification before approval, MIS and reports. The system provides quotation register, track all quotations with filters. Quotation query, engine, for search and analysis. Follow-up dashboard, monitor customer response. Auto-scheduler, schedule daily or monthly summary reports. Real-world example. Let's take an example. A customer inquires about 500 metric tons of steel rods. The sales executive prepares a sales quotation mentioning item code and description, rate per mount, delivery period and payment terms, applicable taxes and total value. The quotation is reviewed, approved, and emailed to the customer. Once accepted, it becomes the base for generating a sales contract or order. Why is sales quotation important? It formalizes customer communication, reduces negotiation confusion by locking rates and validity, acts as a bridge between inquiry and order, enhances forecasting, pricing accuracy, and follow-up efficiency. This process, though not mandatory, is considered a core component of the sales and distribution module essential for all verticals. FAQs and controls. Common FAQs. 1. Can we link sales staff in a quotation? Yes. 2. Can we copy an existing quotation? Yes. 3. Can we print a quotation multiple times? Yes. 4. Will system validate the voucher date if it's greater than system date? Yes. 5. Can we freeze data for a period? Yes, using configuration settings. Summary. Let's recap what we covered. What is a sales quotation? Process flow and key configurations. system features and misreports. Real-world example and FAQs. The sales quotation process ensures that every offer made to the customer is accurate, auditable, and easy to track, setting the stage for the next step: sales contract, sales order. In our next video, we'll explore sales contract, sales order, delivery order, and order schedule, where accepted quotations turn into confirmed business. If this video helped you understand the sales quotation process in Lighthouse ERP, right pointing finger emoji. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more learning. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and let Lighthouse ERP light your way to smarter sales.